What is going on, Hamm Fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whoever it is time to watch this video. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying your time off work. I know it sucks, but you gotta make the best of it, and hope you're staying safe. But today's video, we're gonna go finally get those parts for the fuel plug. We're about to do the fuel plug. I was supposed to do the lift pump and some today, but it's about to rain at like 6, I think. Yeah, it's not looking too promising for that. But tomorrow morning it should be really nice, and hopefully we can get it done tomorrow morning. Yeah, but I'm about to go get the half line disconnect for the hose, and I'm about to run to Lowe's and get a plug and then a 18mm ratchet wrench. So I'm about to go get that real quick, and then we'll do the fuel plug. The fuel plug shouldn't really take long at all, probably like 20 minutes hopefully, if it's not stuck on there like some people's are. But we're gonna find out. So I'll see you over there as soon as we get to Harbor Freight. Okie dokie, we just got Home Depot, and we got some plumber's tape for tomorrow on the lift pump, and then we have a hose clamp, and then we have a little 1/2-inch plug. You're gonna need that for the return line on top of the fuel tank. So went ahead and got all that, so that way we can just head over there tomorrow morning hopefully and get it done. Yeah, I want to go to Advance actually. I'll go to Advance real quick, and I'm gonna go get a 18mm wrench. Oh, fuel line disconnect. I need a 1/2-inch fuel line disconnect. So we're about to head over there right meow. What is up, Hamm Fam? We just got back from all the stores. That took longer than expected, but we got the disconnect kit for tomorrow. And the only thing we really need to, I forgot an hose clamp, but I'll pick one up tomorrow morning. And we got the 18mm for the race fuel plug we're about to put on right now. So let's hop into that. What is up, Hamm Fam? We got all the stuff laid out. So right here we got the PPE racing fuel valve. We got the O-ring that goes with it, and the tools for this job are gonna be an 18mm wrench. Would be nice if you had a ratcheting wrench. That would help out a lot. 10mm socket, 12mm socket, an extension to help out a little bit, and a 3/8 drive ratchet. Any ratchet will do as long as you have these size sockets. And then we have a 10mm wrench for the glow plug module right there. So we're gonna hop into the engine bay real quick, and we're gonna get started. All right, so there's gonna be a 10mm bolt right here, and there's gonna be a 10mm bolt right here. We're gonna get this module off. Oh, there we go. All right. Bolt right here. Now you're gonna get that bolt out. Fold this out the way.
That whole thing?
Yeah. Now, we're gonna get our 12mm bolts right there and take those out. There's 4 of them actually, not 3.
You heard that, viewers? There's 4, not 3.
Alright guys, I forgot to record something, but it's a little bracket that attaches to this right here on this little shield, and it goes on this line right here. So you're going to want to get that. It's the 10mm wrench as well. So now we're going to get the 18mm, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's way down there. It should be right behind this line, and then this wrench will just fit on there right there. So we're going to go ahead and break that off. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and not bore you to death by taking this out, but I've heard a lot of people say it was kind of hard, and actually getting the wrench on there itself was harder than actually pulling it off. But it does hold a lot of pressure, but you're gonna lose a little bit of fuel, not a lot, don't freak out, you're gonna get it back. Well, you're not gonna get it back, but it's not a lot to be worried about. So I'm gonna get that one off, install this O-ring on this one, and I'll reinstall it and show you guys. All right, boys and girls, I don't know if you can see it, but I got it. All right, so the big difference between this one and the PPE race one is this has the little hole right here, and also I'm not gonna be able to do it. Obviously, I don't have enough pressure, but it has a little release system in here. So once it builds up pressure, it releases it. Okay. So, all right. So basically, what I'm about to do is I'm about to just reinstall this. Pretty simple. Obviously, reverse process. You're gonna go in through behind there and reinstall it. And the best part about this is, like I said, when you have those high RPMs and your truck's, you know, getting it, it doesn't crash your fuel oil pressure, and you're not gonna get that code. I think it's like the 087 or 81 code. But yeah, you're not gonna go in limp mode anymore because of this. And it's a really good thing to have. I've been wanting one for a while. It's only 30 bucks, so it's really easy to install. Like I said. The only complaint I have is I would definitely get a ratcheting wrench instead of just a regular wrench. I knew that from the get-go, but I didn't feel like spending $150 on a whole set because I couldn't find one for a single. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get installing this, and I'll tighten everything back up. It's just literally reverse order from what I did already, and yeah. Ready. All right, now what we're gonna do is put this plate back on. All right, and it's gonna be the two 10mm bolts. All right, and there's one more right under this wire right here. Alrighty, and I'm gonna install this bracket last. This little piece that went on that line right there. Alright, boys and girls, that will do it for that install. Hope you guys really enjoyed that do-it-yourself installation video. I know I like saving money, and that probably would have cost about $100 worth of labor from some bullcrap shop, you know. Just do your research before if you want to do something. I always get on Google and YouTube and Facebook forums if you have them. I know there's a big old LBZ Duramax forum on Facebook that I love going to. We all help each other out a lot. But yeah, pretty simple installation, no leaks. All I could say is to get a ratcheting wrench instead of just a regular wrench, because that shit sucked. It really did. But yeah, pretty easy installation. Can't wait to do the lift pump and some tomorrow. It's really gonna make a huge difference in the fuel rail pressure and the throttle response. But yeah, until next time, Hamm Fam, thank you so much for watching. I don't got no problems, I'm 19. Yeah, she biting cause she love, I'm piping. Sibling, cold drink.